Welcome to Magic Patterns. Magic Patterns is an AI design tool for anyone who wants to create an interactive design, deploy a website, or iterate on a new feature. Millions of designs and websites have been created with Magic Patterns. Here are some examples. What makes us different is that we focus on iteration and brainstorming. There is only front-end code. There is no database. There's no back-end. This allows for visually rich interactivity, optimized for product leaders and designer workflows. Here's how Magic Patterns works. Simply prompt Magic Patterns to get back a design. Let's do one together. I'm logged in and I'm on the dashboard. Let's say I'm a product manager at Stripe and I need to rethink our invoices page. But wait, I need this to look like Stripe. The difference between Magic Patterns and other tools, styling consistency. It's easy to get your Magic Patterns output looking like your existing product, thanks to presets. You can think of this as like a default prompt, and here you'll see it has some existing styling and hex codes, and we can connect it to a component library. Component libraries are another difference between us and other tools. Magic Patterns can use your custom components and design system. So here I have my Stripe components. I created these by simply taking a screenshot. I could go to Figma and simply take a screenshot of my component, go back to Magic Patterns and paste it in. Or I could use our Chrome extension, which allows us to import from any site. For example, if I go to stripe.com and use our Chrome extension, I can just select anything on the website and import that into Magic Patterns. That's for making components. What's great is that Magic Patterns is team first. So everyone in my team workspace on Magic Patterns has access to that design preset and the component library. Let's go back to the dashboard. And now when I create my invoice dashboard, again, all I'm going to prompt is invoice dashboard. After a few seconds, it knew I worked at Stripe. And that was just one prompt. All I did was type in invoice dashboard, and it used my components and created a page. Let's take it a step further. It's not perfect, but in Magic Patterns, we can easily iterate by using select mode. So here I can say, use my @Stripe icon button and add interactivity to open the modal. We also have a series of commands that we can use by simply doing the \. So we could discuss and not make any changes, just get ideas, inspiration to create 4 variants, debug for troubleshooting, or polishing it up. Now, Magic Patterns generates an actual website with real code. Because of this, our customers at both ambitious enterprises and small startups are seeing a 10x speed up in their production workflows. A common workflow. PMs can take a PRD or go to their favorite product management tool and grab the user story and just paste that into Magic Patterns. So for example, here I'm pasting it in, going back to my dashboard, and boom, there's my prompt. You can also collaborate with others. For example, my colleague just shared a Magic Patterns design with me. Any design can be shared within our workspace. It works a lot like a Google Doc. There's also an export button where you can export to Figma, sync to GitHub, or copy the code as prompt, where engineers can then take this to Cursor or Claude Code. You can even deploy to your own custom domain and host your own website. We even have a canvas where you can organize designs in one place like Figma. You can learn more about Magic Patterns by simply clicking on your profile picture and going to our documentation, or you can message our support chat. We are so appreciative of all our customers, and we cannot wait to see what you create. Happy prompting.